What's up guys, your Biglee here. Today I'm gonna teach you triceps kickbacks and the way to do it very effectively. Triceps kickback is an amazing isolation exercise that places load on your lateral and the meaty head of your triceps. Many people don't lean forward enough and hence use more of their biceps. In order to do this exercise effectively, bend down completely and lift your dumbbells. Retract your arm so that it is in parallel position with your body, and then push the weight backward and contract your triceps. Stretch, kick back, stretch, kick back, stretch, kick back, stretch and kick back. Because this movement is done in an unnatural position, very little load is enough to stimulate that maximal fiber contraction in the triceps. So, for example, if you are using 20 pounds on a triceps extension, somewhere between 10 to 15 pounds would be more than enough to stimulate growth on your triceps using this exercise. I prefer doing this exercise close to the contest because it allows me to visualize those muscle fibers, especially when I see the mirror and train. Until the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.